So, planning future videos. These are the wheels and tires off the orange bike. They're brand new, never even been ridden on. I'm going to take these off. I'm going to put a set of knobs. I'm going to put a set of knobbies on. Like I said, for a future video. I'm not going to say nothing else about it, but I'll show you guys how to swap tires on a grom. Very simple, basic. Everybody makes them out to be like it's a big deal, but it's not. No difference in how you do it between the front and the back. So let's get right into it. Very simple tools here. I'll show you as I go. First deal, take your ballast stem core out, let the air out. Oh, some soap and water right around the bead. It's just soap for dishes, whatever you got. Put it around both sides. This tool, I thought was going to be kind of a joke, but I bought one. And for motorcycle wheels, I've done everything from sport bikes to groms. They don't work quite so well on ATV tires, but these are Motion Pro Bead Pro tools. I mean, it works super good, like 40 bucks. Very impressive how they work. So basically, you have these. Stick this one in just like that, and this one fits inside of it. And then you just squeeze them together. And as you squeeze it together, it breaks right off the bead. I wish I would have bought these a long time ago. These are great to have. Anybody's got to do your own tires, well worth the investment. When you put these in, this one, here's your wheel, slides in just like this. This one slides in, and when you pull it apart, it pries it down. It's really slick. Really glad I got that. I've used these so many times. Pretty excited to get these on. I got some new bearings coming for the wheels that I put on the other bike. They didn't have bearings, so I had to take these out and put them in. So I got new sets coming to put back in these wheels. I'm gonna leave them black. Like I said, these are brand new, never even been rode on. The tires I'm gonna use on the yellow bike. And we're gonna have the knobbies on these. So simple, you can use whatever you want, but just a tire bar. I use two. I got two of these, one of these, is kind of personal preference, whatever you like to use. Start on one side, before you pry it down, you push the other side down, just like so. And just work your way around the tire. Be careful if you leave the rotors on. I wouldn't suggest it. If you do, you can just put a block of wood under each side of the wheel. Keep it off the rotor. It is possible to bend them, the rotors. Now, I'm not real super concerned with scratching these wheels. If you are, I'm sure some of you might be concerned with it. Make these little deals that you can slip on the edge of the wheels, keeps from scratching it. Not a huge deal for me. These are basically spares. Like I said, I got a video that I'm going to make. We're going to have some fun with. But I'm going to keep that on the down low until it's time to make that happen. So once you get one side done, soap and water it some more. Makes it a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and use this because I don't want to be too scratched. The wheels get too scratched all the way down on the inside, but put that on the inside right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pry bar, you're gonna reach around from the other side like that. You're gonna pry this out real hard. I mean, you're gonna have to put some muscle in it. Get it bent around just like that. You're gonna smack here and here with a hammer. It'll come right off. Just like so. And that's how easy and fast it is. Take one off. So, here we have a brand new set of Maxxis knobbies. So, we're gonna put these on. Some more soap and water on here. And when you put soap and water on, soap and water you want right here, that's the part that needs to move on the wheel, so that's where you want to get it. You don't want to spray it up here or on the inside so much, but it's right along the bead there. Fairly simple. Tires are directional, so hope you guys can see this arrow that shows the rotation of the tire. Also, most tires have a mark. Seen it there a second ago. Oh, this yellow dot, that will be the lightest part of the tire. So that always goes toward the valve stem. And when I say toward the valve stem, I mean line that dot up with the valve stem. Is it a huge deal? Not really. I don't balance tires and wheels on the grom. Just, it's not an issue. Never had one that vibrated really bad or anything else. If you get one that's bent or maybe a little bit of damage or a really cheap set of tires, I can see there being a vibration. You know, I could buy that, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get these put on. Now the first side is the easy side. Gonna line these up. Sometimes you can just get them to slide right on, and sometimes I just work it around there a little bit, just pry it on. Just like so. And there's the first side. Spray it down again. Make sure it's nice and slick. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Just like so. I can do a set of grom tires pretty quick. Talking 20 minutes worth of work maybe. If that. A lot of tires, you know, they're all the same. Obviously these are tubeless, but there's not much different with a tube type. Just have to do the tube as well. Careful not to pinch it if you have a tube. If you're running tube tires. Get to the end here, Can be a little tight, but she'll go. So once you get it on there, I'm going to push it down a little bit. Put some more soap and water in there. Make sure you get it down in there. And just spray it on the top. Turn it over. A little more soap and water helps it beat up on the wheel. And put our valve stem core back in. Just like so. And give her some air. And do this. Just hold my hand up here, not on the sides. That way when it beads, there's no chance to get your fingers pink. There's one. And there's the other. So, that's all there is to it, to swapping out grom tires. So I'm gonna check the pressure in this one and put this one up. Now I'm gonna do the back one. They're all the same, so hope this helps you guys.